was Italian month. Second month was American month. This month we got Great Britain, guys. Tune in, tap in, ask questions, comment, like, subscribe, share. Let me know what you think. Let's do it. So guys, I will be using a whole chicken as the meat for the Sunday roast. You could substitute it for brisket meat or pork. I don't eat pork. I'm a Muslim. That don't got nothing to do with it. I mean, it really does, because we can't eat pork. But either way, me don't eat pork. That thing is that tea, man. That tea. You don't want it. This or the beef. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna just use this and we're gonna make something happen. So the seasonings I'm actually gonna use for this, we got them over here. I'm gonna use some garlic salt. I'm gonna use some ground cumin, and I'm gonna use some lemon pepper. And as always, the Maggi as well. Put some olive oil in it. Sesame sauce, and then just put that in the oven with them things over there. But I'll get to them. Alrighty, guys. So now we are up to the ingredients. So the ingredients you will use for your Sunday roast will be some asparagus, some baby Dutch yellow potatoes, because I gotta read it all out, and some baby cut carrots. So guys, 3 ingredients that will go into your Sunday roast, which will make it perfect. Perfecto. Benissimo. Add a 1/4 cup of vinegar. That's for the taste, guys. You're gonna add like 2 spoons of extra rich avocado oil. If you don't like avocado or you're allergic to avocado, simply use some olive oil. And guys, this is the sesame seasoning I told you about earlier. Okay. So guys, we're up to the seasonings now, and I'm just gonna put some cumin powder in there, about 2 teaspoons. So guys, man, like, you hear me, like, when I be talking, man be like stopping and going and stopping and going. The backstory to that is that man's lived in a couple of different countries, and speaks a couple of different languages and that. So when man is speaking, man's thinking in French, so the transition sometimes is pretty hard. But you guys just bear with me, man. You guys just bear with me. So yeah, guys, season it. Just make sure you massage it well. Season and massage. Yeah. Wash your potatoes, whatever you call them. Boom. Put some little holes in it. All your potatoes. So guys, what I will do now is put this beautiful thing in the oven. And I just put some potatoes in here, the carrots and the asparagus will go in a separate tin. So guys, for the asparagus seasoning, just a little bit of onion powder. Shake it. Some garlic powder in there as well. Some pepper. And mix it around in there. And some of that good. You guys know it. The Maggi. So guys, what it looks like, carrot and asparagus. So guys, we're finally done with Omeezy's Kitchen, episode 10, guys. I can't believe it. Actually, I can't. It's been 2 months, 2 episodes. But we're still doing good, guys. Weekly episodes going up. Like I said, every single week when I do a meal, I actually go out in the night and I look for someone on the streets that is hungry and just have a little conversation with them, see how life's going. But guys, let me know what you think of these videos. Give me some feedback, comment, like, share, subscribe, all of that. Thank you. Voila les amis, Sunday roast. So you got your chicken, you got your potatoes, you got your biscuits, you got your asparagus, and you got your carrots. And then you got the sauce from the chicken in here, which I will maybe make into a gravy. Maybe. So guys, basically it's finished. Got some asparagus in there. Got some carrots, got some potatoes, and got a biscuit.
This ain't it.
She don't like it.
I mean, the carrots, they're like...
What don't you like about the carrots?
Everything.
What do you mean everything?
It don't taste right.
What don't taste right?
It don't.
What
like,
does not taste right?
Everything.
You haven't
I don't
even
know
tried
if it's the
chicken.
seasoning or something else. It just doesn't taste right.
So, what have you tried so far?
Is this a bacon?
What have you tried so far?
The carrots and the potatoes. I'm going on to the biscuit. This watery biscuit. Like, I don't think... Ew.
What's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? Alright, I like the biscuit. It's good. I like the biscuit.
The video's still going, you know? Like, we're 2 minutes in and you're just taking your sweet time.
I know. Let me take my time. Judge, assess. You know? It's still good, though. It's like a good...
You just said it wasn't good for the camera, so...
The carrots. Everything but the carrots is really good.
People are not going to think it's good now that you said it.
I know.
It's nasty.
Unsubscribe. Unfollow for these carrots.
What?
Yeah. You heard me. These carrots ain't it.
What about the potato?
It's actually really good.
What about the asparagus?
I'm about to try it. Like.
What about the carrots? It's not cooked enough?
Do you want to try it?
No.
Why not?
I don't try my own food.
You made it.
I don't try my own food.
You made it.
I don't try my own food. You ate it from the wrong side. You're not even supposed to bite it from that side.
I never ate an asparagus, okay?
What's wrong with you? So, these youngins don't eat vegetables. And that's why they're healthy. Go on and try the chicken.
I eat my broccoli.
Okay, try the chicken.
And carrots and... Okay, fine. I'm gonna try this.
This is just a healthier version.
And I eat my peas and my greens. The chicken's good. It's just like everything. The chicken's juicy. You know what I mean? Like, the seasoning good too. Just everything but the carrots. These Lunchable carrots. They're not good.
Hating.
I'm not hating. Take a bite,
guys, there we go. Sona Jamila rating my food. Back at it again next week. Maybe her or T. We gonna see. Hey guys, I'm out here with my friend Alan. Seen Alan around, nice gentleman. I give away food out every 2 weeks, every week I mean, so I'm just giving him. Thank you, Alan.